Hi everyone, this is Fardeen, and I am going to show you a guide on how to properly save your onto a spreadsheet for upload into InTouch and Prospect Square and any other possible CRMs that you're using. I'm going to start by showing you how to properly export your contacts from your current CRM or database. Most CRMs have this function. If you are using something different, please come see me, or you can find out just by fiddling around with your program. For this example, I'm going to show you how to export your contacts from InTouch. So once you are on your dashboard, you want to make sure you hit Contacts on the top here. That'll make a drop-down come out, and you'll see Export Contacts just below that, and then hit that. Once you do that, you will come to this screen. On this left side, you'll see a drop-down bar. You can select which groups of your contacts you want to export. I'm just going to do this for this example. But if you want to export everything, obviously you would select everything. And I would just change this to all, just to make sure it does get everything off of your CRM. And then once you make your selections, all you have to do is hit export right down here. And it'll create a report in the Excel sheet in the CSV file for your use. It should be as simple as that. But let's say you have an external sheet, maybe a sheet that you combine different clients and your sphere of influence, and you made it yourself, and it's in Excel. So I'm going to show you how to work with that really quick. Let me show you an example I pulled up. So honestly, the order that you have your information isn't very important. What is important is that you have first and last name. You have an email, and if possible, a physical address. For tools, an email is required in Prospect Square. But if you're using InTouch, having either a physical address or email will do. I will show you why in a later video. Something to point out, you do want to make sure that you have address, city, state, and zip code separated, as well as having first and last name separated. So the order, it appears, doesn't matter, but you want to make sure you have these in individual cells. And if you have a unit number, you would want to put just whatever number it is, instead of having a comma and writing it like this. It is preferred to just have it without any separation. And then once you have a sheet and you made all your updates to it and you think it's ready, remember you need to have it separated and email. If you do have them combined, there are tricks that you can find online to separate columns, but I won't be going over that. And if you do have questions, please come see me. If you think you are ready to use this to import into your databases, you want to make sure you save it as a CSV file. That first, you hit File on the top left here. Once you are here, you hit Save As. If your screen does not look like this, you might have an older version of Excel, and I'll get to that in a little bit. But name your file whatever you want to name it. I'm just naming it 222 so I can find it easily. You can change the name to export file or for CRM. And then change this to .csv. This is very important for us because it makes it very easy for the import. So I'd highly recommend it saving as a .csv. Again, I'm going to show you. I click this drop down below here, and I changed this to .csv. If you have an older view, it might look like this. Still very similar. You just change the name here and click here and change that again to .csv. And that's all there is to it. And now your files are ready to upload into InTouch and Prospect Square. Please stay tuned for a later video where I show you how to actually physically upload these contact lists into there. All right, until next time.